Okay, this is another video and which I'm talking about the Samsung SDI case which was made for Profit e-bikes. So inside we have this 1860/50 cells. It's 10S4P. On top of that it has a BMS which I have not here, but I was going to replace the cells and I was thinking I could have made this battery pack which is 21700 cells, and it also has a smart BMS, so fitting and replacing the cells is not a problem. But I think this solution is far better, faster to do than such replacement of the cells, because you have to rip out all the nickel stripes and disassemble. So for my case, I was faster to disassemble it, the plastic case from the holder. So 21700 cells are faster to weld, and also they are a bit cheaper. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions, let me know in the comments and I will try to reply fast as I can. Thanks for watching.